What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an email marketing campaign on Shopify. So let's get right to it. Here as you can see I'm on my Shopify homepage. As you can see I created a Shopify store. And to create an email marketing campaign is pretty simple. You just need to install an app to handle your marketing campaigns. Since Shopify is an online shop or an online store that doesn't have by default email marketing campaign tools. So go to apps here from the menu on the left, and in the search here, search for Shopify email. Okay, it should appear right here. If it doesn't, click here to search it search for it in the Shopify App Store. However, let's click on it here. It'll open up in a new tab where it'll give you some information on the app itself, and it tells you that it is free to install. And your first 10,000 emails each month are free. However, you get to pay if you want to exceed this limit. So let's click here on install, and then click on install once again. And now the app is installing. And then after a few moments, it is successfully installed and it appears here, and it'll redirect you to this page where it'll ask you to create your first campaign or create an automation. So in our case, we'll create a campaign. However, if you don't see this page, just simply go to apps here, and then it should appear in the list of apps that you installed. So here it says email, click on email, and here it'll get you to this page. So in this video, we'll create our first campaign. So you can here get to view here a preview of the campaign. Here you can edit all the campaign details or the campaign appearance. Here you can select an image as your logo. I'll just go ahead and select a random image. So this image of a computer mouse. The store name, you should add your store name, obviously. And here you can edit the font, and any changes that we make will be reflected here in the preview in real time. So as you can see, the logo is now added, and now we selected a new font and it is applied here automatically. If you change it once again, the font will be changed. And here you can edit the colors. So the text color, let's make the text blue, for example, or maybe this purplish color, blue, okay. And the buttons and links, let's make them red. As you can see, they changed here to red. The button labels and outlines, let's change it to like yellow. I'm just like changing randomly each and every element's color just to show you how it'll change. Now to the background color, let's change it to a green color, dark green color. Of course, this looks totally off. However, I'm just doing that to show you what elements here would change. And now the background too, let's make it like an orangish color. Okay. And you get the point. You can here get to edit all the elements in your or like the look of this email campaign. And now here you can click on save to save the changes. Okay, now once you edit the appearance of the campaign, click on next, and now you can choose between many templates that are available, and they are like filtered by like type. So announcement, holiday occasions, newsletters, product highlights. So let's choose product highlights, and you get these templates. So let's click on this one, the gift card, and you will get a preview once you click on it. So this one looks good. As you can see, the colors that we chose are applied automatically. Now click on select, and here you get to choose the recipient. So all subscribers, of course I haven't added any, or there aren't any subscribers that are subscribed to my like newsletter or my store. So here you get to choose subscribers or customers who haven't purchased that, or they entered like their email. If you do have on your homepage like a prompt for the customers to subscribe to your newsletters or to send them like codes via emails or they enter their email to get like coupons or offers and stuff like that. Customers who have purchased more than once, or abandoned checkout. So they did add items in their cart, however, they didn't check out or email subscribers who are subscribed to your newsletter. Okay, and here you can add the subject. So let's say sale. Okay, and now the preview text you can enter like big sale. And you can even let AI write or generate text for you if you want to. And now here you get your store email that you're subscribed with on Shopify. And you can change it if you want to in the settings in your Shopify store. And now you want to click here to verify the sender email since I haven't already verified it yet. However, here I don't need to. Now, here you can send test or view how it will look like on a mobile phone or on the desktop. Review it. Okay, and here you can add sections to your email. You can add tags, you can add buttons, you can add images, dividers, product, gift card, and so on. So let's add a button. For example, it'll be added automatically at the bottom here. Okay, learn more. And you can click on each element here to edit the element itself. So here, if we click on the element that we just added, the button, we can go ahead and change the color of it. Let's make it white. And now the text, let's make the text black, for example. Okay. And here in the email page itself, you can click on any element. So like the photo, you can change it or remove it. So let's change it. Okay. Add this one, an image for a product that I have on my store. And you can browse from many stock images. Okay, so let's click on done. Here you can already choose the store name instead of the logo. Okay, and change the logo size. Let's make it bigger. Change the alignment, the background color. So let's make it a black background. Okay. And in the text here, you can click on text, edit the font itself. Okay, this one looks good. Edit the text color. Sorry, let's click on the element once again. Text color, let's make it white. And the link color, let's make it like yellow. Okay, and edit the alignments and background color. Let's make it black background. Okay, you get the idea. You can edit any element in this email like preview. Now you can click here to review it. And it says that you need, of course, to add recipients. You need to verify your email. You need to select a gift card here. Okay, let's click to add a gift card. And you can add a button link. So you need to edit these. So let's add a gift card here. You can click here to select a gift card. So click on it. And now here, create a gift card since I don't already have one. It will redirect me to the Shopify store where I'll add like a gift card. I'll create here a new gift card for product. However, I won't go through these steps right now. Let's close it. However, of course, you should create a gift card for your like email campaign. And lastly, you should add a button link. So let's click on this section to edit it. And now add a URL to learn more. Let's redirect it. So like to a product. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, now the link is added. And once you are done with all these settings, you can go ahead and review it to make sure all is set. And you can go ahead and send your email campaign. So that's pretty much it. That's how you create easily the great marketing campaigns or email marketing campaigns on Shopify.